Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Armor Gear Work Apron. You can get this product on Amazon for about $28. Check out the link in the description. The work apron has 7 tool pockets, 3 pockets on the top chest area and 4 lower pockets located on the waist area. In addition, each side has a tool loop located on both of the side waist areas. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a high quality product. The work apron is adjustable for all sizes from small to extra large. I tested the work apron for a couple of days, mostly to work around the house, and I think it's a very good product. The quality is very good, it's very comfortable to wear, and the pockets and tool loops let me carry around multiple tools. So if you're looking for a comfortable and good quality work apron for commercial and residential use, I would recommend the Armor Gear Work Apron. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.